How to unfriend someone in Headball 2. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you're trying to clean up your friend list in Headball 2, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open Headball 2 game on your device and from the main lobby screen, go to the bottom right and tap on Friends. Now, your friend will appear on your page. All of your friends you have will be displayed. Tap on the friend's name you want to delete. And then on the next page, it will show their info section. Go to the top left and you'll see the little minus button right next to human icon. Tap on it and confirm that you want to delete the friend or remove them by clicking yes in the pop-up. Soon after you click yes, you'll be able to delete your friend from the game. So that's how you easily delete friends in Headball 2 or unfriend them quickly and easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.